Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my darling little home. My name is Swani and today I'm participating in another challenge. This challenge is called Fall Kitchen Vignette and is hosted by Denise Jordan. Denise's channel is called This and That with Denise. And if you're interested in home organization tips, cooking, wellness, beauty, decor, please go check out her channel. I will leave the link down below so you guys could go check out her channel. And I want to thank Denise for inviting me to participate in this challenge. It was lots of fun. The challenge consisted in having a tray, and in that tray Denise asked that we add some kind of fall decor. We had to have florals, fall florals, and a plate and something with words in it. And if I need the space on my table, I'm able to pick up my tray and move it to the counter, and I love that. So this is what I came up with. If you're interested in knowing what I did and how I did it, please keep watching. Pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, I will link my video down below so you can see how a little paint can change these beautiful pumpkins into something even better. So this is my vignette, this is my tray. I hope you guys like it and got some inspiration from it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. God bless you guys. Bye bye.